Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new week of the Forex market analysis. I couldn't come your way last week with analysis because I couldn't see any good setups. But this week presents us with some very awesome setups in some carefully selected GBP pairs. They come in the form of the GBPUSD, the EURGBP, and the GBPJPY. On the fundamental side of things too, it's going to be a very crazy week. Let us just jump right onto our screens and see what we have for the coming week. As I already mentioned, we have the GBPUSD, EURGBP, and GBPJPY coming up. So I'm just going to take off the pairs for now so that we can get a wider view of the chart for price action analysis. The first pair that I will be analyzing is the GBPUSD. The GBPUSD is actually trading in a rising wedge. For the past 1 month and a week, the GBPUSD has been trending upwards, but then this trend up has been confined within a rising wedge, and until the GBPUSD is able to break out from the wedge, it will remain neutral whilst within this very market structure. A break of the resistance will be good for the bulls, and a break of the support of the rising wedge would be good for the bears. Until then, stay away from GBPUSD unless you are a short-term trader, as GBPUSD is negatively correlated with the EURGBP. The EURGBP has also been trending downwards in a falling wedge. So for the past 5 weeks, the EURGBP's movement has been restricted by the wedge. Also here, we'll be looking at the breakout, which is imminent. A break of the resistance could be bullish for the EURGBP. Also, a break of the support of the wedge could be bearish for the EURGBP. So it's a breakout trade idea for both the EURGBP and the GBPJPY. On to our final pair, which is the GBPJPY. The GBPJPY is also positively correlated with the GBPUSD. So it makes sense that even as GBPUSD is trading in a rising wedge, the GBPJPY is also trading in a similar market condition. Also here, you would have to be patient enough to wait for the breakout that is imminent. The GBPJPY's wedge is not set up as clean as the GBPUSD, but then you'll have to just time the breakout to find certain market direction for the GBPJPY. So all the carefully selected GBP pairs we'll be looking at for this week are trading in similar market structures, and they are breakout trading ideas. So one thing we really need to be very cautious of is false breaks. On the fundamental side of things, it will be a very packed week. The focus is very much on Wednesday, since the American Central Bank goes into action. Monday, however, will be a quiet day, as there wouldn't be no serious 3-star news released. Tuesday would also be kind of a quiet day. As I said already, Wednesday is where the action really is. So the FOMC statement would be made available, and the Fed interest rate decision would also be announced. This has the tendency of moving the USD pairs very much. On Thursday, the following day after the FOMC's decision, the GDP from the United States would be released. Also on Friday, GDP from Germany and also from Canada would be released. So it will be a packed economic week from Wednesday onwards. Trade cautiously. That is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading week and see you probably next week.